Hey everyone! Welcome back to today's video. Right now, we are super excited to show you a newly renovated flat in Canberra. Yes, the design concept is based on modern minimalist, so we use a lot of dark wood laminates with light wood to create the coziness. Plus, also we use the warm lighting to create the cozy vibe. Let's go to the kitchen. Here right now, we are located in the kitchen. So there's a few things that I'd like to show you. First is a pull-out drawer in the tall unit. So over here, where owner can place their kitchen appliances to easy access and to easy clean. Next, sinter tone worktop. So sinter tone worktop, easy to clean, easy to maintain, and of course, stain resistance. So another special thing behind me is the Sarah panel. So what's so special about Sarah panel is the design is a little bit different. It creates a different depth into the whole house element. So this is heat resistance, which is why there's fiberglass inside. Let's go to the pantry. Hey Grace, what are you doing? Ordering Grab food order nice food for me Oh, let's go to the next area. Here we are at the main bedroom area, walk-in wardrobe with dresser. So over here, something special about this is we did a LED U channel in the mirror. So for people who love to make up, right, you have a clear finishes. Also, one thing you might be worried is the place not small meh? That is the reason why we created a glass, grey glass. So in the morning, the sun can come in to make the place spacious. Right, come over here. So for the sleeping area over here, we created a curtain pelmet to cover the curtain track, and we also bring in the curved design to make the whole area look sleek. Welcome to the study area where owner choose to hack down this whole wall to build a study place for them, and as well as to extend the living area whenever they needed to host their friends. And of course, to close back the door whenever they need some quiet place for their work. It is not just for humans to work, but it's also a place for the pet to rest and sleep as well. Oh my god, look at it, it's so cute Ayyo. Alright, let's go to the next area. This is the living area. So over here you can see, right, a featured wall and the TV console. So something special about the TV console, right, is the top part, you can pull it out to organize all your wirings and also the charging ports. After this, right, we also have drawers inside for storage spaces. So the featured wall area, right, we don't wish it to be bulky or too big, so that is the reason why we use Sarah panel instead. Shamin, what are you doing?
I'm relaxing.
Do some work
Okay lah.
So behind me over here, there's a mirror. So why we propose this mirror over here, there's a few points. One is to make the area looks big and spacious, and of course, to extend the height. It gives you the illusion of the whole ceiling is higher. And also, to make the whole area looks modern. So on my left, there's a display cabinet where owner can choose to display whatever stuff they have, like alcohol, pot mat, even car. Is to make the space more homely. Got Demon Slayer
I like the one piece more.
So this is the entrance of the house, which is the foyer. This is the divider that we have created based on open and closed privacy concept. Comes to here, this is a tall cabinet to place shoes. So it's enough for the client's usage. Then over here, the niche, we can actually place our barang-barang that we need to go out usually. So we can grab and just go out. And we have come to the end of today's video. See you in the next one. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye!